Hello and welcome to your Samsung Smart TV remote control tutorial. When I take you through this tutorial, I will talk to the command and then I will show you and then we'll do it together. So don't try and do it when I first tell you. We'll do it together after I explain it. So let's just take a look at the few key features of your remote control. This is your on switch. This is the central control system that responds to touch, volume up and down, program up and down as in your channels. This is your back button. Press this if ever you get stuck and you want to go back. This button here is your Smart Hub that brings up the sub-menu of applications. When you have your antenna connected, this brings up your TV guide. These buttons you'll virtually never use. This button you will never use, and you will rarely use this button. This button accesses the menu system within the TV that allows you to change the colours and connect to the internet and all of those sorts of things. So this button here is the voice activation button that allows you to activate or search by voice. And going back to this central hub here, you have left, right, up and down. This button here is what reacts to your touch, which brings up the little white dot on your screen, and when you press it down it creates your selection. So let's begin. I will use the on button to turn the TV on. You'll see the TV come on. Next, and don't worry about this right now, that obviously won't come up on your screen for the moment, so we need to connect your antenna. So the first thing that you're going to do is press the Smart Hub button, this button here. So we'll press that. Let's do that together. And you can see the Smart Hub come up on your screen. Then what we're going to do, coming back to the remote control, and don't do it yet, I'll explain it to you, is we're going to select, on the remote control, we're going to select Netflix. Now, to scroll through to something else, you just press the right button or the left button. Once you've made your selection, we're going to put our finger on this button here. We're going to point the remote control. See this little white dot here on the screen? If you're looking at the screen, you can see the white dot. All I'm doing to get that is I'm just placing my thumb on the central control pin pad. And then I'm pointing it at the TV to get the white button. Let's do that together. Put your thumb onto the central button and point it to the TV. You'll see the little white dot. Next, you're going to highlight Netflix, and you've still got your finger on the white button, if you see that. You're going to highlight Netflix, you still have your finger on the button, and you're simply going to highlight it and press the button down. Highlight it and press the button down. Just a little slight click. Now this doesn't apply to you because I don't think I've got you pin coded. If I do, it's 0, 0, and it's not working. Oh, hang on, it is, but I can't see it. That's funny. Hang on, just while I fix this for a second. Just, oh. I'm just going to cancel that, just ignore that. Let me start again. Just let me get myself back to where we were. And we're going to go 0, 0, 0, 0. So you've got your button on the central button and you're pointing the dot to the 0 and pressing down 4 times. And then Netflix will activate. You can see it's coming on there now. We'll just pause for a moment. Next, you'll have your profile come up on the screen. Once again, you put your thumb on the central button so you get the little white dot on the screen, as you can see. You highlight Pauline and you simply press the central button.
Mom?
Yes, darling?
I found a...
Hang on, I'm doing this video, honey.
Oh.
Next, just wait, sit with me and I'll do it. Now you can see you have all these menus. All you need to do is just scroll up or scroll down to scroll through the list and go left or right. I actually went right and left then, but left or right or scroll down. Once you get to a section that you want, all you do is put your thumb on the central button, bring up the white dot and press put the dot on the whichever show you want to watch and just simply press the button and it will bring up the show that you want. Then, depending on where you are in the show, all you have to do is press resume or start. You can add it to your favorites, all sorts of things, so you can scroll down from here. You can also scroll using the up and down buttons. You don't even need to worry about having the white dot at this point in time. Or you can put the white dot on the thing that you want. Let's scroll down and we'll say add to my list, and then all you do is highlight it with your finger on the central button and just press down. That's added. If you want to just, for example, wanted to read the summary and you're here and you want to go back, all you do is press the back button and that takes you back to the menu. Then again, you can keep scrolling through to whatever selection you want. If you want to go back to the main TV, just press the back button. Keep pressing the back button until you get this exit menu, and then you can scroll across using the right button, or you can put your finger on the central control button, bring up the white dot and just press exit Netflix. Boo's doing a little bit of dramatic drop and roll there. Then it's going to tell you it's exiting and it'll take you back to the TV, which you don't have because you don't have the antenna. Then if you wanted to go back into the application menu again, you go back to your Smart Hub button, which is this coloured one here, and just press it down and there it is. And then again you can scroll through. Now you can scroll going left and right just using the left and right buttons, not even having to worry about a dot, and you can see it's highlighting the different applications as you go. Or you can just use the white button with your thumb softly on it, and then depress the button onto YouTube or whichever application you want. I believe that completes the Smart Hub remote control tutorial. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye bye.